Anhui INNOVO Bochen Machinery Manufacturing Company Limited was founded in 2012 with more than 20,000 meter-square workshops. We are a professional enterprise that develops and produces printing and packaging equipment, which includes more than 20 varieties, such as automatic flute laminating machine, automatic flip-flop stacker machine. All products can be customized according to customers' special requirements. Our products are sold well all over the country and exported to Southeast Asia, Africa, South America, and other countries with high praised by customers. While absorbing international advanced technology, INNOVO Bochen carries out continuous technical reforms to make it more suitable for market competition. The innovation of R&D team, the improvement of processing workshop, the constant pursuit of the perfect details, and the professionalism of the service are dedicated to meeting your every request and desire. All our parts have been carefully selected, and each accessory has undergone extremely rigorous testing, and even the engineer's signature name can be found. This not only represents unique quality, but also means it brings outstanding performance. INNOVO Bochen has never stopped working hard, and all the solid foundations are only to go beyond ourselves and go further. We have promoted the development of enterprises with technological progress and actively committed to the promotion and transformation of patent technology. And with the continuous improvement of the independent intellectual property system to provide strong technical support and legal support for product development, application, and promotion. We are never arrogant. We just want to be your most reliable post-press equipment manufacturing expert.